Hello, I'm just gonna give my quick thoughts about Generation Happy Skin's color adaptant. So as you can see on my cheeks, it gives a good baby pink color. And when it comes to my lips, as you can see, it has a more intense pink. This is already 2 layers. And I also use it on my lids, but on my lids, it really showed up as like peach. One factor to consider is that I put on a brown eyeshadow on my lids. Love the scent of this. It's not very irritating in the nose. It's just a light scent of watermelon, which is very fresh and very summery. It's already been 8 hours on my cheeks and also on my lids. So this is how they look like after 8 hours. I didn't notice any change in